Should secure password hashing impact your application performance? Imagine trying to lock your house with a lock that takes a few extra seconds to open. It might seem like a small delay, but it's a crucial part of keeping your home safe. Now, think of your application as a house and the lock as the password security system. When you use secure password hashing, you are adding a strong lock to protect user data. But does this extra security slow down your app? That's what we're here to find out. Secure password hashing is all about turning passwords into unreadable strings using special algorithms. These algorithms scramble the passwords so that even if someone steals the data, they can't see the actual passwords. Unlike encryption, which can be reversed, hashing is a one-way process. When a user logs in, the system hashes their entered password and compares it to the stored hash. If they match, the user gets in. This process makes it very hard for hackers to crack passwords, especially when combined with techniques like salting. Salting adds a unique string of characters to each password before hashing, making pre-made attack tools useless. Now, here's the part that makes some developers hesitate. The algorithms used for secure password hashing, like bcrypt and Argon2, are intentionally slow. They are designed this way to make brute force attacks, where hackers try many passwords, more difficult. This slowness means that each password check takes a bit longer. If your application has thousands of users trying to log in at the same time, this can add up and impact performance. But don't worry, this is a trade-off for better security. To balance security and performance, you can choose the right algorithm and tweak its settings. For example, bcrypt and Argon to let you adjust how many times they run, called the work factor or iteration count. Increasing this makes hashing slower but more secure. Setting it too high might cause delays, especially during peak times, so it's important to find a sweet spot. Also, consider your system's capacity. If you expect many users logging in simultaneously, you might need to optimize your server resources or distribute the load across multiple servers. Regularly reviewing your hashing settings is a good practice. As hardware gets faster, you might need to increase the work factor to keep your passwords secure. The key is to ensure your security measures don't make your app sluggish. With proper configuration, you can keep your user data safe without sacrificing a smooth user experience. So, while secure password hashing does requiring some extra processing time, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that your users' credentials are protected.